Hello everyone. Today we will see if condition in a given situation. How if formula works. In this case, we will see these total scores. Based on this total scores, we will give them a grade. If it is greater than 90, they should get A. Between 80 to 89, they should get B. 70 to 79, C. And anything which is less than say 69 is fail. So this is the condition we have. We'll put the formula on this particular cell. We'll start with is equals to, and then we'll say if the formula, of course, and then we'll start a bracket. We'll give the cell address as F2. If F2 is greater than is equals to say 90, then our result should come as A. This condition is completed. What if it is not greater than 90? What if it is less than 90? So we'll give another condition, comma, if. Again, we'll start with bracket and we'll give cell address as F2. If F2 cell is again greater than is equals to say this time 80, then the result should come as B. But what if it is less than 80? We'll put another condition, comma, if bracket start cell F2 is greater than is equals to 70, then the result should come as C. Now what if students will get less than 70? So we'll put last condition in our example, if bracket start cell F2 is this time less than is equal to say 69, then the result should come as fail. Always remember, your return result should always come in double inverted quotes. Now we'll close the bracket. 1, 2, 3 and 4 conditions. We have closed all the 4 conditions. We'll hit enter. And now what we are going to do is we'll drag it till the end. And our result is visible now. Now let's try to change. For example, this particular student, suppose Abhishek, let's try to change the score to more than 77. Say let's make him 80. So I'll just add a 10 number and you see suddenly it is changing to B. I'm talking about this particular cell. Let's say if I increase it to more than 90, will it change to A? Let's try to understand that also. Let's give him 20. Now it is 92 and the cell is now giving a result as A. This is how we use if condition. This is not the only way to mark a student, grades as per our requirement. What are the other ways we have? We will see that in our next video. Till then, stay happy and keep smiling. Thank you.